UPPAbaby CRUZ Silver Cross Reef 2. This is a comparison that you've all been asking for, and here are some of the details. I'm Emilio from UPPAbaby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. The Reef 2 is really focused on elegance and durability. The Reef 2 gives me a full recline, a large basket, wheelboard capable, adjustable harness from the rear. The CRUZ V2 is a utilitarian in the category. It is known as one of those indestructible strollers that lasts forever. Extra large basket down below, fully reclining seat, reversible seating capacity, and a lot of accessories to add to it, like CRUZ risers to bring the seat up, like an insert that could be added for newborn capability. They both have independent suspension and really simple folds. If you would like to see additional details comparing the two, please leave it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.